have in the past covered the astonishing megametropolis that has been unearthed using ground-penetrating radar beneath the nearly impenetrable rainforest that now engulfs the area. A super-civilization that not only supports our positive there once being a number of lost civilizations that have flourished and often seemingly met an untimely demise here on our planet, but has been estimated to have been home to more than 10 million sites such as to call once believed to be independent separate clusters of past impressive and as yet unexplained block buildings through the use of ground-penetrating radar have been proven beyond doubt to have once been part of the same super-settlement that span nearly the entire rainforest at the site is now home to it. We have also covered the incredible ancient stone in earthworks that can be found dotting many areas of the Amazonian rainforest that again are indicative of a past super-civilization. Yet conveniently, since the discovery of Guatemala's super city, funding for such penetrative studies elsewhere of said areas has dried up. The question is why? Why are we witnessing an active attempt to conceal these ruins from the world? We feel the evidence to suggest so is now beginning to mount. However, where mainstream academia won't step, many others are fortunately willing to pick up the slack, and this particular area of interest is of no exception. And as usual, the investigative researchers have turned up some astonishing characteristics of the Amazonian rainforest, which are indicative of another super settlement, possibly of a similar size to that of the ancient sites found within Guatemala. A group of scientists and researchers, after investigating the area, have put forward what has been pinned as the Amazonian Stonehenge. According to said researchers, they found evidence that a advanced ancient civilization once existed in Brazil. And although they have dated the ruins as having been built 50 years before the European colonization of the Americas began, we feel that the evidence to suggest that they were in reality far before this date will soon be realized, and that these people who once inhabited the Brazilian Amazon were possibly creating an impressive arrangement of immense towering granite blocks. As such, scientists today speculate that these massive stones were, like so many other sites we have covered in the past, attributed as that of an ancient astronomical observatory. The structure consists of 27 blocks of granite, each up to 4 meters tall, standing upright in a circle measuring over 30 meters in diameter. In other words, possibly more than 1,000 years ago, an ancient civilization of native peoples were flourishing in the area. According to the New York Times, radiocarbon tests and site measurements during the winter solstice shed light on the ancient civilization's abilities that inhabited the Amazon. From this, new archaeologists have realized that the people who lived in the area developed a more advanced civilization than previously thought. Who built the Amazon Stonehenge? When do they build it? Is there a lost super settlement hidden beneath the Amazonian rainforest? As that of the Guatemala rainforest, we find the evidence to suggest such highly compelling.
Now policemen in the streets are chased down robbers and thieves, but it's the innocent ones alone